Hello my homo sapiens, we are here for another video. Today we're going to do something a bit different once again, and today we're going to do a cooking segment. Okay, so today we are going to make cake in a mug. Now this is going to be something short and simple, and anyone can make this at their house because all these ingredients except one thing was in my house. So yeah. So today, as you guys can see, I already measured out my things and put them in little baggies. This is 1 cup of, well, a quarter cup of all-purpose flour, and with a mix of literally a quarter teaspoon of baking powder. So basically just a pinch of baking powder, sorry, it's the same thing. And once again, it's a quarter cup of all-purpose flour. If you guys have raising flour, like self-rising flour, then don't put in the baking soda, because that's what self-rising flour is for, just to like mix. Yeah, it's for bread, it's fine. Okay, so then we are gonna add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Now, if you guys have, you can use sweetened cocoa powder. It's like not a sin here. We like sweet things. So this is basically gonna give you like a bitter taste because it's unsweetened. It has no sugar in it. But don't worry, we're gonna get to the sugar later. So I'm just gonna mix this up so we can get it like nice and there. As you guys, this is very overpowering. Okay, then I'm gonna take 2 tablespoons of granulated, strooisuiker, granulated sugar. This is 2 tablespoons. If you want, you can add like one more tablespoon or teaspoon. Depends on how bittersweet you want this. So yeah. And we're gonna measure everything else now. Okay, that's looking dry. Okay. Then 1/8 teaspoon salt. Okay, guys. Once again, this is literally a pinch. Do not overdo this. Like, it's 1/8 of a teaspoon. Like, literally, do not overdo that. I don't want you guys eating salty ass cake in a mug. Okay, okay, so this is gonna be a quarter cup of milk plus 1 tablespoon, a quarter cup of milk and 1 tablespoon. I think this is enough. If you guys think it's like too moist or something, like just add a bit of cocoa or flour, because that'll just like dry it up. Now I'm gonna add this one by one so I can create a paste, so that I don't want any clots in this. So yeah, this is gonna maybe take a while. As you guys can see, like once it does that, add a bit more, and you can like keep doing this. It smells very nice, honestly. Now, all these products are probably in your house. If not, that's fine, because they're actually very cheap, except the cocoa. Cocoa can be very expensive, but cocoa comes in use a lot of the time, so that's fine. So buy it once and you'll have it forever. Okay, I think this is very wet. So I'm going to stop adding milk, because I think I overpoured maybe. But it's fine, we'll see how it comes out. Okay, then I'm gonna have 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, cooking oil basically. Now you guys can use any oil you guys have in the house except olive oil, cause that shit's nasty. It looks so nice. Okay. As you can see, it's like creating that layer thingy. Blah. Oh, and this recipe is egg-free. So that's cool if you like vegan. And then my last ingredient is going to be 1 tablespoon of hazelnut chocolate spread or mini chocolate chips. Now, this is going to be the interesting part because literally this bar of chocolate is like 20 bucks at Spar. And now we're going to add this to the mug, of course. This is my little mug. Now, I'm going to add this. Now, you guys don't want to overfill this, hey? Like, you don't want to do that because this cake thingy-majiggy, it's still going to rise. So if you guys overfill it, then you guys are going to have a bit of shit. So we want to get all the batter in there. I'm going to take a baby teaspoon, get everything in there. Just mix it through again. This is smelling great, honestly. I hope it tastes great, if I'm honest. Now then you're gonna take this little bad boy and literally just cut wherever you want to. And it's gonna start chipping. So basically, I cleaned the counter beforehand, so it's fine. So we're just gonna add that in there so that, because if you mix it in, it can probably go lie at the bottom, and we don't want that. Because we don't want to like have all that like goodness at the bottom. We want to try and get it in the center and the bottom and the top. So all that goes in there. And the nice thing also is like these little sprinkle things. Like just get them on there. It's like, oh, this chocolate also comes in handy because you can add it like to your hot cocoa. Everyone knows it's winter here. So basically then you take this and you just like, okay, and a bit more, and cut, break off, cut. Oh, and if you guys are a mint person, this would be so nice with mint, hey? Like seriously, just take like a bunch of mint, well not a bunch of mint, like chocolate mint chocolate, and just like put it in there. Oh, and you guys can also use like peanut butter, some coffee, if you're into that. You can literally do with this what you want to do with it. Okay, I'm going to take this teaspoon out. Do not put metal in a microwave. And we're going to microwave this for approximately 1 minute to 2 minutes. So I'll be right back. So, we just got it out. It looks a bit, you know, blah. But this isn't for a gourmet restaurant. This isn't some 5-star hotel, but this looks moist. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, and the chocolate melted on the inside. Wait, look at that. Oh, it's so warm. Huh. I'm dying. Ow. If you guys want, you can literally put cream on this, or even better, ice cream. But seriously guys, try this at home. I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, so I hope you guys try this at home, and trust me, we're definitely doing this again because I'm gonna go eat this now. But I'll see you guys next week, and please leave any meaningful comments in the comment section below, and please hit that subscribe button, guys. We're trying to get there. See you next week. Bye.